What time is it? It's time to graduate to grown-up healthcare. It's time to reject the notion that masking symptoms is good enough. It's time to explore new options before it's too late. A wake-up call? Yes, it is time. Let's start with the basics. Stress is experiencing overload. Melt is experiencing flow. We focus on helping you create the flow experience. Certified stress melters are trained in the science and art of stress melting. Why stress melting? Because your vitality has an expiration date. Use it or lose it. Finding ways to maximize your vitality might be the most valuable skills you could learn. Some might call it alternative or complementary. We call it grown-up healthcare. Stress Melting Academy offers tools for more vitality, more health, more well-being. Everyone knows less stress is more fun, and more fun feels great. It is time to move past the deception offered by the drug machine. It is time to address the lack of integrity of the insurance machine. It is time to bring the manipulation of the medical machine into the light. Dodging disease before you're forced to treat it is grown-up healthcare. Stress melting is your escape hatch. Readable clues are your early warning system. Grown-up healthcare, new choices, new experiences. We propose a special body energy balancing system done by touch. Imagine combining gentle pressure points, geometric patterns, and a well-trained musician to create a new type of hero, a new type of first responder. A new level of awareness. Grown-up healthcare is distinctly different. Whether you're currently listening to a very personal radio station, WIIFM, What's in it for me, or focused on helping others and seeing the contributions and connections of T-Top, to each their own path, or beginning to realize now is the time to experience the global revolution beyond the dim path. Whichever frame you choose, it is time to realize your vitality has an expiration date, and now is the time to begin doing something about it. DIM, the drug machine, the insurance machine, the medical machine. They wish to numb us, trick us, hook us. It's time for grown-up healthcare. Because grown-up healthcare is distinctly different, proactive solutions require early warning systems. We have that. Proactive solutions require healthy habits. We teach them. Proactive solutions require trust, love, and gratitude. We stand on those. We stand on mountains of trust. Stress melting flows with rivers of love. We prefer to consistently swim in oceans of gratitude. Now is the time to experience grown-up healthcare. Are you ready for some stress melting? Today's stress melting party begins with a gathering activity, some introductions, and allowing some settling in time. Prepare to have some fun. In a moment, we'll begin what we like to call a junior science experiment. In groups of 3, you and 2 others will partner to learn how to take a few simple measurements. These simple, readable clues measure indicators of accumulated stress and point to frozen zones. More on that later. Our certified stress melters will give you a stress melting session, then you will repeat the same simple measurements. This junior science experiment ends with a discussion about your experience and your findings. In summary, the Stress Melting Academy is training a new type of first responder, a new type of hero. Grown-up healthcare puts the focus on dodging disease before you're forced to treat it. Stress melting offers an escape hatch and an early warning system. Because your vitality has an expiration date, finding ways to maximize it is a very valuable skill. Let's get started.